Greetings, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Up and Knife Show. I'm your girl, Likkle Brown, Nash Dragon All Star on the wheels of steel, breads, DJ Rick, Fire Cube, Mad One, big up in yourself, my brother. Anywhere in the world that you are at the moment, this is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we are sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon, where you can go for your hottest weekly events. Yes?
That is it.
That is it. How were your weekends?
All over London this weekend.
We're very busy over the weekend.
Cross the waters.
Cross the waters over one place, run on one pot. What did you get up to?
Go bar, and then we got lizard dance.
What was that bar, bro? You just go bar for bar.
Go called Tash or them Barbies name, and then we leave go lizard dance. Enjoy it. Then got me hard. Then Saturday we just repeat.
You go back a bar and lizard dance that
No,
day?
the night. Got froggy dance.
What that mean?
Repeat the outside.
No,
man.
where did you go,
That's
bro?
what we're
I just
asking.
tell you, Saturday we got froggy dance. Stuck, and then we got a V-Millie dance afterwards. So.
Yes, big up to V Millie. Big up to everybody who hosted events over the weekend. Yeah, the weekend was festive. Let's give a big shout out to War Report. That is one of the events that took place over the weekend as well.
I would have just about check in, big up, you know.
They celebrated their 8th year anniversary with a number of,
All the sound, you know.
all of us sounded there on
Yeah.
the bill, and the vibes did nice. The vibes was nice, and shout out to Joel and Brando, who are the War Report boss. Obviously shout out the War Report team as well. The War Report 8th year anniversary was a good look. It was a good look.
We are going to dissect the war because I was over there live and living in color, so I don't want nobody tell me nothing about the war because, yeah.
Yeah, first
I
hand
did that, I am my first hand experience.
How was it for you?
Boy, when the war really starts still, it's like 100 forward and like say boom, and fire some shot after some people, seeing? Then go and go the first round. And after him like some fire some shot, several other sound play, but the vibe wasn't like that. See, you see me? Until Kirk Jesus come play. Kirk Jesus come beat them with some custom.
Yes.
Right from the get-go.
Yes.
You see me?
From the beginning.
Money spin!
Right from the get-go. Boy, movie star Johnny.
About people business get read out.
Jaja, movie star Johnny.
People get business get read out.
Right now, you hold your back wheel up, see me, brother. I'm not lie. Everybody
Get beaten.
take a lick.
What?
A
Why?
cloth
Yes,
after
yes,
Johnny.
Why?
Everybody give him one out of belt, out of leather belt crossing, but I'm not lie.
Yeah, there were a lot of
Jaja.
So them bypass Andrew and just beat him up.
Yeah, man. Them.
Boy,
You would have had to be there to understand it. You would have had to be there
Like-
to fully understand it.
And you know what? You have to give credence to where it's due. You have to give the selected them who voice them song. Some of them song there was genius. You have to put respect on it. And for a young son, for the only young son in the clash,
And we're referring to
who I refer to?
Jesus!
No, pure vibes. Pure vibes
Entertainment.
for the only young son
Yeah,
in the
Pure
clash
Vibes.
where is a young son. Like them go and good and like their first run that I hear was a fresh ear. Like after Andrew forward and go on with himself, them change the ball game and play some song.
Right.
Dig out one forward out of the crowd.
Right.
One different star vibes, you see me? Cause them play some nice song. But obviously when shots start fire,
Yeah, we could have.
like you have to put on his spinners and draw for the automatic and it look like a barrel gun them still a fire.
Well, when they say pure vibes of the young son, but wait, that's who is Kirk Jesus then?
Kirk Jesus has been around for a good little while before Pure Vibes in the circuit doing the clash.
CR7 man.
No, what I mean, like, he's not a son. That may I say.
Berts, from your start cut some song, you have a laptop. You can
what?
classify yourself as a
We're
son.
not going to argument to that. You know what I'm talking about.
What you gonna say? Because him start out on the
No,
phone
it's
thing,
not
that's
start-
where you're going
no,
from.
You have to start from, so I'm not talking about that. Me, like,
Yeah.
Kirk is not a DJ with play out. He's not a DJ, him just to clash. Them man, they, upon the whole lineup,
So where do you call it in our culture?
Jesus Christ. Bro, as I said, I'm not going to do that with it tonight. Do that argument tonight. This,
And you can't do the argument because you don't know about the clash culture in
You know what
general.
me I say? I don't like you know what me I say. traditionally, Clash go with sounds and DJs, where a DJ and sound people, right? Kirk, I do him thing from the phone day to know. He's not a sound, he's just a person where
Love the Clash.
love the Clash and join the Clash thing and go spend money and cut him dub them and do him thing.
So where you call that?
The man just a killer.
What do you classify that as?
my sound killer.
Which is
It is right.
right.
He's a sound killer. He's not going to see Kirk play out next week.
I'm lost to your point still, but
No, the point is he's not a DJ.
Hold on.
Alright.
He's not a DJ like a juggling DJ. But Kirk Jesus in him one right, where him go pan War Report and any one of them Clash circuit there. Him transform and him show him versatility. Not because him not box and him don't walk around and say him a DJ. But you don't know how he shots go.
I'm trying to make it this year. Out of everybody on the bill, he would have been the less experienced person in the world. All if he's a young son, you're a sound person.
Says who?
Bro, when we finish starting on my youth, every time y'all father ever try to have an argument, bro. You just not listening, just reacting. Alright, is that me go do that Clash there, yeah? And do what Kirk do, yeah? I'm not a slave as a DJ. I'm a lover of the culture, yeah? But I know a song, so I learn how to do what I do. And just when I Clash time, look at Clash.
Kirk Jesus will
but
Kirk Jesus
just
will defend himself
Kirk
because
Jesus-
yeah, Sky, my friend.
No. Kirk Jesus is not, he more the same as a selector or a DJ. I just say, but just kill sound. Look on the video where I'm doing it. Upon airport. Man say, oh, all sounds afraid of me. I'm called some name.
Okay, so shall we try and have a conversation with
Yeah,
the
because
Jesus himself?
what I never like Weber, it's like he's less experienced on the Clash. Remember, Sir Jesus killed sound long before enough of them forward in the circuit.
Yeah,
So Kirk Jesus been killing sound long time.
right.
Not because he don't acclaim and put a DJ upon him name.
You just
when
prove
I'm
my
on
point.
right and in a full culture, he's a sound because he's cutting song and he's going on the big stages. And he's doing his thing.
Representing, yeah.
And they're
Dragon.
booking him as them a book Kirk Jesus.
Dragon.
You don't come like Tony, what do you say? Tony Matterhorn is not a son?
DJ.
Me ask you.
But
Same thing as Kirk
Tony
Jesus,
Matterhorn
innit?
was a part of an actual sound system.
It don't really matter.
No.
Where him start from.
You just say, let me just say, yeah.
Me don't
The
just
man,
stop
you
thinking
just
that.
you
Who
just
will
say
come up
when me just say you say him killing so all me say yeah he's not him the sound killer and you still forward round and still say the same thing in your sentence.
Okay, so while you guys debate about who is a DJ and who is not,
No, the point I was trying to make
we're
is just
gonna
that
ring
the man
Kirk
kills
Jesus
sound people, them
and
worthless.
find out and have a conversation with him about the Clash and about ask him to define what exactly it is that he does.
What go on with the live, father?
What's happening?
I know the camera angle
But
look
in
a
the
bit bulky
meantime,
tonight.
shout out to everybody that is on our Instagram live, that is also on Facebook, and also on the TGM Radio UK's app. We're not getting Kirk
Uncle
Jesus.
Live, what go on? The camera angle them a look a bit bulky, like, yeah. Me say, me and Bird the on one screen, no, that's something that not look right, dog. Yeah, but I saw it thing go, you see me?
Yeah.
But anyway,
Technology, yeah. But I mean, let's move on to the other topic while we try to get through to Kirk Jesus. What else took place over the weekend that you guys want to touch on?
over the weekend, like, yeah. Where's going over
I don't know, the weekend kind of, apart from the party, it's kind of quiet, you know.
Otherwise,
quiet,
from
no?
like War Report and V-Mill party and few other party what happened.
Other
up on the
events
north
happened,
side and
yeah.
thing, but I didn't go other place. I see like a little boat ride on the gram. I see Big Zix and them. Shout out to Big Zix anyway, like that challenge there
Yeah.
where you
the
found
dog
out with,
challenge.
like,
Makes sense.
it makes sense. I say whole heap of little talent in the UK. I deal with the thing away.
And
Me nah lie.
And an update about that. So he has shared that he's happy to announce that 20 people who did the Goffy Them channel challenge will be on the official Goffy Them remix pack. So basically, there's going to be 5 versions. 2 will be his choice, and 3 will be the people's choice. So yeah, so it's time for people
So
to
20
take charge and
artists,
make
5 versions.
their
Alright.
choices to go on to the remix.
With
Me nah
that,
lie.
with that, yeah,
Yeah.
when they say versatility in the scene, yeah, it's always been there. It's just that
We're getting the call from Kirk Jesus at the moment. So we're going to take
Alright,
the call
go
at the
on.
moment. Greetings, Kirk Jesus, and welcome to the Open Live show. How are you?
Wagwan.
sound killer.
Good day, man. You all right?
I'm there in the kitchen and chef up something. And I war me a chef up.
Oh, so
I know why you angle a cutting tool, you know, because, you know,
you don't
very dangerous,
you
man.
don't spew a whole heap of blood over the weekend, my
Man
G.
wanted. By dancer.
Well, so let's talk about it. How was the 8th year anniversary of War Report for Kirk Jesus?
You know what? I enjoyed it. It was a very successful night.
Yeah. Cool, man. You sound a little bit far from the phone. I don't know if you have us on speaker, and if you do,
speaker. True me that chef up something, but I take it off.
We can hear you way better now. So you say it was a good experience. I mean, we see the truckload of Kirk Jesus fans them and supporters followed out, well decked out in the Kirk Jesus shirts. You understand? Whole army round.
You have to have supporters.
I see you win war. So you win war.
Cool, man. And I mean, I don't know if you were taking in the live a few moments ago. There was a debate about you being a sound man or just a lover of the culture of Clash. Can you just clarify that for us, please? Are you a DJ or just a lover of Clash?
No, I'm not a DJ. You won't see Kirk Jesus tonight in a party mixing and talking.
Okay.
No.
That's not for you.
I'm just a lover of the culture. I'm just more interested in the dub plates.
In the war sides.
Part of the culture.
Okay, so in our culture, like, we know that anybody who war or clash, just like Tony Maturan around the world, they say they are a son. Whether you're an individual or you have speaker box or something like that, would you classify yourself as a son or just a man who love the music still?
Well, Kirk Jesus is a person, you know. Definitely not a son. You know?
Okay.
But as I say, we love the culture and we love the whole Clash culture, so other side of world, well, you never know the future all, you know. Probably you see me in a party and juggle too. It's easier for juggle than for Clash, you know.
By far.
Yeah.
When you say it take less out of you to find out people business and go in a studio and go cut it. We just ask still. No, less energy. Where you find the people in business from, sir? Cause
everything out there, no, nothing I hide.
No, cause
it's on the media.
I learned a lot on Saturday night, you know. A whole heap of things I learned on Saturday, you know.
So
what, sir? You came with a lot of information for the patrons about a number of.
You said that's a part of the culture, no. You have to study your opponent. You know?
Well, no for them get rub out.
So that Kirk, me I try to tell him say them underestimate you because you're not a sound person. You're just a person who have dubs plates.
But may I ask you this, Kirk?
That's how them go wrong.
Like,
you can't. The first rule of badness, you can't underestimate the opponent.
Cool,
yeah, man. But I realized in that clash, why all guns was pointing in Jordan direction?
In Johnny?
Yeah.
I mean, then if you see one chain, which part of the chain are the weakest? The weakest
That,
so you go for the weakest link then?
goodbye.
No, everybody. No. Him and the weakest. I'm not Johnny alone. I go for everybody, bro.
No, what them I say is like, it just a...
Them are saying a few work in London, cause, you know.
I'm going to tell you what happened.
Yes, talk
you see,
it through.
It's when everybody do them pre, you know, when they advertise the dance. So it's when everybody do them pre-ads, when we do the ads. Him was the one where I said, war report, it's not a joke.
Right.
And no sound no Likkle and rare. So right away I tell you, say, yeah, plan for we in a big league now. So if I'm gonna threaten me, I gotta try defend myself, innit? I'm not gonna threaten you, prepare for the threat.
Straight.
So I prepare for the threat, but I just realize now after the dance, say I was just a chatting thing. I'm never serious. Probably things that get me nervous.
Quick question, that Bada General dub that you played, that Bada General custom.
Custom.
Who write that song? Or is it just Bada General make it up?
But good question.
Yeah.
You say is it different from the Buju?
Yeah.
Every custom where you hear.
Yeah.
And me write it. They might change one little thing. Like the Bada General change of something. So I give him credit. But every idea, everything when him said, it was written and sent to him. Same thing with the Mad Spider.
Yeah.
Tarantula.
Quick question again.
Wait, let me answer one more thing. You said the Dwayne Stevenson, me write that line for line. Him not change nothing in it.
Okay.
Everything when you hear Dwayne Stevenson say, I'm me, right?
Okay.
Yeah, songwriter.
So you know, Jesus, like, I'm interested in the war thing. So, you know, I probably want to get some budget dub. How much did you pay for the budget custom? Because, you know, I'm intrigued with the price. So how much did you pay for the
KFC never tell you in secret still, you know, bro.
That is it.
You see me, McDonald's never tell you the secret, so.
McDonald's
keep
just
that
have island
confidential, but put it that way.
Yeah.
Put it that way. I'm money though. It's not cheap.
We know that is the Bantan. So I was surprised to hear a custom coming from that side, from, you know, which basically that is like a play and dash song because it's a custom.
Him do it, but I tell you a secret. Him do it two ways. You don't know the general. Him do it two ways. So I have it a different way.
But don't bust the secret, don't my G. Don't burst the secret.
Ammunition there enough. I can afford for waste Likkle.
But let's ask this question.
At the intro, when I put Finger Vice out of the video, Andrew Vice, say, nah, I'm this year again, you know.
Oh, well, I mean, him laptop did work this year, but I mean, there are a lot of other technical difficulties throughout the show. But I mean, we're not going to talk about that.
Let me ask Kirk Jesus one more question. Kirk Jesus, which song you want to clash in the UK at the moment? Which song you want to
defend your title against?
Go war? No, because we see you don't know with most of them now. Which song you see out there where you say, more kick off them face?
But I know one song. I'm more than one.
Well,
Call them name then.
Tell us the names of the songs.
Well, I can't put them on the spot.
Call some of them names. Some of them we want to tear off them face.
You see me personally, I can call name, but you see me, you know, I don't really fear nobody, you know, because these are brave. Me and David, Kirk Jesus, a.k.a. David, my brave, my slew Goliath, you see me?
Where's them? Can't cut your slippers.
That's sleeping, I remember a Air Force over here.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of no sounds.
Kirk Jesus, about a gurney argument. You must one or two of them where you say, them are going on anytime me and them buck up. Broadboard.
Enough for them, bro. Enough for them. And I don't want, I have a call name, but everything when I do it in the name of music. It's not nothing personal, because even though you see me I call Andrew, I'm a brethren, I'm a big brother, I'm a look up to you, see me?
We know it's all about fun and game clash.
You see, sometimes the word from your mouth, it deceives you, because into that, you see, when they say, what happened last year, can't happen this year. Remember last year, I did kick up some people too, you know. So, at the end of the day, now, me, I got prepare, because I say, big brother, I prepare, you know, so, you get me? It's only right for me to put myself in the order. But to be honest, if you never call my name, and diss me, the bad general that the world wouldn't hear it. That the respect that I have for Andrew.
Okay.
Jaja.
I want to play it.
But in the thing with it here, it's like the man are forward, as me says, a sound person. But the dubs them where my ears, me see a play on the video, man, where you're gonna say, no one expects you to have them. And so when you do drop them, it forward across more powerful than if a DJ play them.
Killing sound still enough.
No, I know this, but what me I say,
yeah? So I know, man, and even the female in the building should know.
No, I know to know.
Jesus.
But what me I say, yeah, is like, even say, I don't know, hard feelings with nothing here, but me I tell you it's for free. Sound man, no one lose to you, cause that far back into the point, me I gotta say, yo, dog, I'm man in a place, so I'm killing a dog.
But
so that's why I'm afraid I'm uncomfortable.
but isn't that a part of the game though? Like, this makes the clash culture even much better, because they know, all right, if Kirk Jesus step on the bill, it'll go prompt them for you put out them A game.
No way the joke.
And it improves the culture.
And that may I say, next clash, Kirk Jesus, you know?
A problem.
Kirk Jesus.
Yeah, man.
You know, we're good at everything, but walk with a bulletproof vest, because I feel like say, every rifle that turn for your direction.
No,
because them sister you are a problem.
Helmet and shield and everybody.
When me that spend the money for buying the vice of them, that was my aim.
Yeah, but Kirk, you joke with it, yeah?
Yeah.
You have an advantage in a like basically if you win, it's worse for them. If you lose, people are saying, "What? Kirk can't really DJ." So in a sense of that, so either you take it, you know nothing to lose, but all to gain. Cause you can't go against somebody.
No man. Me a human being.
No.
Pride, we bruise.
No.
Them and look on it, so what me now.
Yeah, but what I mean, it was them pride bruise, and the fans them laugh off of them are two problems that them have.
I don't look at it that way because how I look at it, Kirk Jesus is the undisputed champion from the last one.
Yep,
He's a defending champion.
That's what make it worse.
So the whole thing is him have everything for lose because he is the one who hold the trophy, the bragging rights, and everything to say.
As well as the sounds that we're playing on the night were not new sounds, or sounds that were there last year. Big sounds.
Bro, man, the youngest sound, and I want to know the closest sound to me.
I said that
in an age. And in my 18, that was pure vibes. My son, I was 3 years old, you know.
I said
every other son, that's gone in their 20s and 30s, you know.
Right.
Like willpower, they bought from 96.
Yeah.
Right.
So that's why it works.
And Empire.
Kelly's about long time.
From Bob Marley.
Empire's about a while as
Kelly's about from Bob Marley, man.
What? All right, I'm going to tell you this. So when the Flyers drop, remember, I earned my spot this year on the bill, you know. But some man I say, oh, what I'm going to look up. For some reason, them think me I look at you. I don't know why.
Right.
What I look at you, up on the bill. You get me?
Right.
See, after Saturday, the same people, let me know. Where I say, what me I do on the bill, you know. And them I wrote to me, which sometimes I say, you have to make people.
So that's
you have to make people put respect for your name.
Right.
Earn it,
and you've earned it. You've earned it 2 times in a row.
So that's why I say, you can't win 5 years, 7 years, 1 million in a row. You see, once you lose, people are going to say, to be fair, Kirk shouldn't win so much time. The point I make is this here, no matter how it reach for you, you're not going to lose until you lose. Because, as I said, people are doing the game for 20 years.
Yeah.
20 years and them still. Bro, me that shame. Me that shame. You know what she do? She should call Queen and she give it, me a shame at the end of the top.
What should I do?
You should call Queen and say, shame I kill me. You should say, yeah, I call it one of them names. One by one. Shame I kill me.
No, for real. I just like anything in your life. When somebody new to anything, you good enough for years, and them a win over you, it's like them again more than with them they look. I say, okay, them just start, so them can get some beat up. But when they beat everybody from the jump,
who has been in the game for 8 years,
so they eventually lose, them man say, yeah, man, me make the lose, but the man say, but again, you're more established.
Yeah, Kirk Jesus, one last question before you go.
Yeah.
Which one of the song them play a song that was a bit personal or hurt you the most? Which one of this did
none of them.
None of them not hurt you?
None of them not bad.
Like, you was there. What them say would hurt me?
Me don't know. I never.
Them say all bad things.
Them
You don't know.
bad things, but it not affect we.
I hear feelings. You know.
We're only bystanders.
If me know say you fling a stone, which is a pebbles. And me sit down on a rock stone. You think so when you fling the pebbles?
The pebble not can hit in your eye, Kirk Jesus.
I'm blind, you.
No, man. I gotta protect my eye, man.
Kirk, me see an interview in Kirk. You call some name like that. Me didn't want to call it. You call him back. You call some name at the video. Call me at the video too. Where you say, afraid of you. Yeah, who afraid of you. Who this.
Afraid of me, banana lie. You know this.
Listen.
It's evident.
Me you call a name that I clash them with the ones still.
Which, if him call the name already, call it now, because it's already.
Tell me.
Man say Archangel Ian.
I mean world power, man.
World power.
So that is a clash that you want, that you're looking forward to.
Yeah, I'm ready for them, man.
Ready for it.
And then the man said, "End. Yo, me not care no. May we finance the own clash if that's not worry about. May we put on the clash."
You know that, bread bar.
Then when I move like Mayweather, put on them one fight them.
I don't know. But I want to publicly say to you, congratulations on the win again. I mean, it was an 8th year celebration, but we don't know the war report. Them not do no shimins on the lawn, and you're going with a bag of things, man.
You put crying upon the map because that's when I come from London.
CR7 is on top at the moment. You understand?
They say we're not from London.
We're fly the flag.
You know, Kirk. They say we're not from London, so we're going to land and go beat them up.
All right, then, bro. Big up yourself and all the very best. Yeah, we're looking forward to another clash with Kirk Jesus' name on it. Yeah. And big up to Flex too. We have to big up to Flex.
Man. Oh, Flex was the next time.
Flex aligned, go out with himself.
Shoot.
Yeah, man, the young shooter. I'm not miss.
Him no miss. You understand?
Fine.
Big up yourself, Kirk Jesus, and all the very best. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you.
Big up. Bye.
Bless up on yourself.
Yeah, man.
Man,
respect my boss.
All right, man.
You saw me say every time, but over here, yeah. This, like, our people keep every year, Rated here, yeah. But this clash, may I say, make people like stand up and say, yo, if the man do one next year and have the money again and other people incorporated, more interest again than the before.
Yeah, because the format of this one was more a clash. Like the last anniversary keep.
Them juggle too much like
the last anniversary keep, it was more like a juggling dance.
And I hate that.
And this one was like the war report. You remember in lockdown, the one that done on live.
Yeah.
This one was more like that. So yeah, I kinda like the format of that one, yeah. And like you have to give credit where it's due. Like me never expect that from Andrew. Andrew forward. I know Andrew can juggle.
Andrew's the Messi.
No, Andrew forward, Andrew first start fire shot. Me never know say Andrew first that start fire shot. Andrew never waste no time.
You mean, man,
from the first song, Andrew start fire shot. So in a sense, when Andrew start play, the war really start. Cause Andrew start call some name and Andrew start dash him can and bag of things. So when Andrew start, the war start. So.
Jaga, I got war report before, the one with the keeper, Carnet. I sleep up most of the event to the end when them try do some custom against each other, yeah. I just say, people go sound clash or sound whatever, want that type of thing you do, to see altercation. We don't want to go for your juggling so they got a party. You see this what them do? I saw it to go far. We don't want to go nowhere and juggling. You want us, when the man and father for present himself, and just straight shooting. This for sure, artists over here now, that these stuff get you trending as well as everything else. You don't lose nothing if you compete. You only can gain, because every follower is a follower. Negative or positive. View or view.
I'm not sure about that, you know.
But that's what I'm saying. Not for them have ego for days, but all of us are on the same bus. I got the same place.
Lie tell.
Minus certain name. You know me I
say,
talk?
Lie tell.
Alright, all I may tell.
You know what? Because some people is not on the same bus.
When I say all of us, the people where is at the forefront of what we talk, what we play every week, and you talk about me attack. We're not going to group everybody. Some people say at the bus up our weight.
And not everybody at the same bus.
But see, this is the problem with you. I said something, you literally trying to dissect what I said. When I said it, I'm just overall saying something.
I'm not going to argue about that tonight.
No, it's not arguing. I'm just saying, bro, when I say something, just make it run and go on. Everybody know me attack about who me attack about and who that me attack about.
Yeah. Because the essence of time, let's move on to some more local stories. Don't know, popular Jamaica dancehall artists. Some say him the king, some say him the underground king, some say him the reigning champion. Vybz Kartel's son, Likkle Addi.
Yes.
Likkle Vybz.
You know? Likkle Addi, fame, you know, ex-girlfriend / baby mother or maybe baby mama.
50-50.
You know? You know, come on tea time the other day, Shelly show with a DNA say the little boy
A female.
is a little Addi's son. But obviously the DNA test haven't been showed on the screen or anything. She just say it is his baby and DNA done. And little Addi reply and say, Shelly, stop call up my name because my father fuck you before and your husband put you out. That's why you do some of them things and, you know, talk about things back and say, yo, I last thing this him I say.
You don't need this
and leave it like
that. You
that.
don't need these people though, yeah?
So, this man wonder, the cartel fuck Shelly for you?
Listen, no, listen.
We don't know.
No. It don't matter if it
Me
did or not.
ask,
Well, I know, it don't matter that. If you have these people,
yeah.
you have to know that this guy can't just go around the circle and forward back because you're going to say that, brawling, your mother and father, you talk about. So, you technically this in your mother brawling because people don't even know that.
How am I this mother brawling?
How does his mom come into the picture?
Because he must say him father fuck an ex-woman.
So
what?
He
never said the timeline.
Hold on. No, but I don't see, my personal opinion, I don't see how his mom comes into the picture
and,
in regards to
that is
Cartel
getting
and Shelly.
disrespect.
Like, honestly.
Because I'm a sex and ex-woman.
You know.
No, Brad.
Me just ask you because like.
No, stop because. Yeah, stop. Go on, carry on.
For the judicial breads, you know, and for the whole thing of this, like, we know in our culture, our group, like, It wasn't frowned upon when a man have 3 and 13 and 15 and 16
would you tell somebody, say, yo, my father fuck your mother, but then...
Who's mom?
Him say Shelly, basically him saying father.
Vibes Cartel.
Cartel that fuck Shelly, that him say.
Sexual relationship
and him
with
no,
Shelly.
did. Him said did.
Did.
Agree in Shelly scene, and him say Shelly husband find out and throw out Shelly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Scene?
Alright, watch this now, yeah. So, Shorty and Cartel from the know them there.
Right.
Yeah. So most like happen at the same time.
No, Shorty and Cartel they in the latter part when you them you know. Remember in the beginning of Gaza, before the whole Shorty thing. Remember when Lisa that's the cocky, we never really know about Shorty.
But she was there though.
We don't know.
No, because you don't know, that means that she wasn't there. You're just assuming now.
But dog, like, him sing boy and talk boy openly, say you know him have a bag of girl.
When you sing about something, you can't always say I sing and I sing.
But Birds, let's be realistic. I'm really sorry. Let's be realistic. We're thinking about Jamaican culture. We're thinking about...
Not about Jamaica, it's about the person.
Bro. You're gonna make me done? Thinking about Jamaican culture, we're thinking about the Vibes Cartel, who, yes, sings about a lot of things, but I mean, I'm taking everything with a spoon of salt. I'm not gonna say him did do it, or I'm not gonna do it, or he didn't do it. I take everything with a spoon of salt. Let me finish my point, bro. I'm saying the point that you made is Cartel had a sexual relationship with Shelly, and you're saying...
So them say.
So that is what was said by little Addi. Me don't know how the mother dropping at the picture.
All right, if you let me finish,
yeah.
I would have
So
said the reason why.
You refused to finish the
because
point.
you know stop me and start attack me. Someone say Gaza. Okay, cool.
You never say Gaza, my friend.
No, but you don't move like a Gaza fanatic, bro.
Bread.
It didn't even finish for me. I say.
Bread.
That's why I'm not going to the Lloyd.
Bread.
Finish your point.
We're kindly asking you to finish the point.
The point never sharp my car. I take the sharpener before me start.
Could you finish the point,
finish your
please,
point.
Bread?
See, you get the floor.
No, it's done. Just carry on, man.
Dog, this is the problem when you come and chat fuckery.
No, because every time from me I say something, ever try interject, bro. The man says something, yeah. I try this the woman, yes, make it go, yeah. But at the same time, your mother there with the person where I say, fuck that person there. Yeah? So, I'm not the only one probably thinking this, like, bro, after everything I can say across the whole board, you said this proudly and aggressively to make the woman sound like, yo, but she said she didn't give a fuck anyway. But the point is, you could have said anything else. Because Cartel fuck her next woman. Most time it was with your mom when he's fucking next woman. And even if you know, you didn't need to say that. That's what I'm saying.
May I ask a question as a man, see? And I don't want to seem rude. All right, theoretically, if you see your father have a next woman, see? Or you know, say, him have a next woman up the road, would you inform on your father?
No, but no, because an idea, that is what it is. But
so you see what I say?
No,
you want to inform your father, but you say I disrespect your mother. That's what I tell you.
No, it didn't make no sense because
if you see your father have a next girl.
Stop. You just said, let me see my father. I said, no, I'm not going to talk. This man come out and talk. I didn't say I was going to do that. I hold the women know and leave it where it is.
So the problem is the problem that you're seeing with the situation is the fact that Likkle Addi brought to the forefront.
Enough people probably don't even know that.
That Vibes Cartel and Shelly supposedly had a sexual relationship.
No, they did because she said nobody can. But go on.
Right, but your point is, I'm trying to understand where you're forwarding from, bro. You're saying the issue that you're having with Likkle Addi making this statement is the fact that his mom knows about it or didn't know about it? Or the fact that it's coming from him, Likkle Addi?
Yes, his mother probably did know about it.
Right.
His father and Shelly know about it.
Right.
Them as family might know about it.
Right.
But I guarantee you, nobody in Jamaica never know about it. The mass Jamaica didn't know about it.
Probably mass.
That's a lot of people, bro. The minorities don't count in a situation like this.
And so what's the point?
The point is, you just asked me to tell my mother about my father. I said, no, because I not want to hurt my mother. This is the point I say. Me don't want to hurt my mother feelings. So poor me tell my mother she's and dead. I feel like a dickhead now. Because me could avoid telling my mother that.
But Birds, with Vibes Cartel and like Shorties, hold on no. Before you it's a different ballgame because the whole Jamaica know that Vibes Cartel been with multiple different women.
But not
and
Shelly.
No, hold on no. And Shorty accept it. as far as we see from the outside, it look like she accept him lifestyle. Say, yo, him just have some girl out there, grind some girl, but she had the first lady.
All right.
Right? That's what the whole Jamaica have that concept. Hold on. Let me finish my
So you're saying it's a low blow?
Basically, because what I say, to me, you know, really feasible. But get back to the story. Like, I'm just saying that because I don't really want to say this for say mix up more and get to the educational part of this for say, yo, at their age, right? Mm-hmm. For somebody to be given
17, 18 now?
Yeah. For somebody to be given a child wrongfully or denying your child is wrong. And in a sense, let me just put this question out here. Do you believe that the child is for a little Addi child or is not? Because little Addi forward out and said 2 DNA tests done. Mm-hmm. And really and truly, I don't really feel say short of them would have run that risk to say, yo,
sabotage.
We're not going to take the youth because, you know, the backlash and the shame would have come behind that. And you can't really take a jacket because remember, you know, them to take the youth at first. Mm-hmm. I remember a big baby show and them and the girl go all about and bag of things.
Right.
So, as far as I see it, some farmer fucker go on because obviously she's not coming out too strong about it. Well, this thing look, because when I watch the interview...
When you said she, who are you referring to? The mother of the child?
The mother of the child.
Okay, cool.
This look like it's a more Shelly doing than her.
This is a second interview.
Yeah, it's a second interview.
Did you watch the first one? Okay. My opinion is, on the whole, if we believe if it is his child or not, I don't know. But I think how the young lady shared the story about how the DNA test was done, that she went to the test center to do the test and he wasn't there.
That was the last one. I heard that too, but as done before that.
Yeah, but that was the first incident that she had shared in the first interview. That shouldn't happen. Both parents should have been there. Both little Addi and the young lady should have been in the room doing the test. Yeah. That never happened. The second time around with Tea Time Shelly, I don't know how the test was done. Was little Addi present?
No, hold on. You're mixing it up.
I'm not mixing up
So
anything.
hold on now. In terms of the DNA, so little Addi and Shorty them done 2 DNA on the child.
Okay.
Right?
He was not present.
Hold on now.
He wasn't there.
Outside of, hold on now, man. Outside of Tea Time and Shelly. So they done it twice. So the last time what she was referring to, that's an additional time when he didn't come after the whole fiasco.
When she went with Shorty.
Yeah, remember the last time when Shorty go after the fiasco kick off and it was a back and forth?
Right.
When Shorty go back, figure prove everything, we say, yo, come do it again then.
Can I say something?
Still City, big up.
This can't solve easy, you know. It's got a court and the court do it.
I thought that is what would have been done.
Simple.
So but hold on. Before All-Star cut me off, my point was, I was leading up to that. If it is a case that he was not present at this third, second, fourth one that was done with Tea Time Shelly, whichever number it is, I think it should go before the whatever relevant court and them do it in the presence of both persons. Because
let me ask you a question.
I can do my point first.
Finish.
Me not think say the DNA test should be done with any of the parents not being present.
It should be a neutral
party. You see, it look like miss out the Valdez point out of this. DNA is not by looks. It's about taking a DNA sample from an individual.
No one said looks.
So hold on, so you don't have to be there in person.
But to make it fair,
hold on.
I think both parents should be present.
Both parents. Remember, it's not going to be done by any of them. It's going to be done by a professional.
Hold on. She get the sample.
Hold on, dog. We sample our what?
How are you going to get the sample from
That's
Addi?
why I say the mother do not have to be there because you're not testing the child. If you say whether it's not, it's the mother child. So right?
I thought it was she.
That's why I tell you, say once you take a swab from a father and the child, that prove everything for say yo.
I think you're.
And a female or not because
you're misunderstanding my point.
No.
You basically are like a witness.
Hold on. I get what you're saying. You don't have to biologically prove that the child is the mother's. I get that. But because of how this entire fiasco has started off and it has been ongoing, for it to seem fair for them to be present, for them to see everything.
But Jerry Springer, when you need Jerry Springer for come on TV, man, free. Because remember, if she knows she a female, like, if she 100% knows she a female.
And she says she's 100% sure.
Just got the court.
Then why Shelly never show the DNA test paper.
And that is
Or
I
the
don't
DNA.
know.
Well, Shelly
Hold
post and say,
because they post something and you have one piece of paper. Me can print that out of any printer. We say DNA back I seen. On the back. We never see from this or
it wasn't a scanned vision of the document.
So that's why I'm saying people can say anything.
Yes.
Because of just content creation.
Right.
But Shelly said as well, that's all content, yeah. She's like, I'm not gonna answer you. Wait till episode where it drop.
And this is what I'm saying. How can they do a DNA test without the father present, without getting the father DNA? That's what I'm saying because we're not testing the child to find out if the child is for the mother, is for the father. So you have to physically get the father DNA.
Exactly.
Right?
That was my question.
So that's why I'm saying the mother do not have to be present at a DNA.
You know
right?
What?
But
it's a thing between the father and the child.
I understand.
So how did Shelly get his DNA?
You know what?
I don't know.
Where the girl tell something I want boots or
you know what?
Stop it.
I'm just asking because this thing now is very frustrating and
it shouldn't get frustrating to you because it's actually
it's gonna be so funny. Carter might be Shelly and get a youth and she does swap the youth there and save for my brother and sister.
No, but on a serious note, I mean this goes to show how many, and we've spoken about it, how many other incidents in Jamaica, how much man get jacket, how much man take care of pitney, that it still the same thing, still I get jacket, take care of pitney where I not for them own. Like, it's unfair. If it is a case where this child is actually not his, the truth just needs to forward out and this thing can go.
Yeah, them always say a woman know who breed them.
Yeah, but hold on now. What about the system that the Jamaican government was going to implement? DNA tests
at the birth
of the child before any man could sign.
And in Jamaica, probably people can't pay the fine.
No, before anybody get the birth certificate,
birth papers, DNA
test have to do because me feel like say 80% of Jamaica jacket, you know, or more.
Yeah.
All right, so if you're gonna take Jamaica, they might have implement it. And the fee when they're going to charge, a man say, you know what? Me take 18 years and mind that you tell, I just don't mind it.
Implement what? DNA test is cheap now. It's modern time. It's cheap and quick. You get it back same day. 30 grand, bro.
Everybody have 30
grand.
And everybody
so
have 30, 40 grand.
Hold on, you rather.
Some man rather do that.
Hold on, let me ask you a question.
You know you got to say, some man rather do that. Rather mind a jacket over 18 years than save money if you take 30 grand. That is what I ask me. No. I really ask me then.
Over the course of 3 months, right? For a little baby, infant, right? You know how much money for your teen baby for in a supermarket?
But I just said it. Some man
I'm just telling you can't rather do it. You'd be stupid.
No, some people look for money like this. If you pay money in a one go, them think it more than, as we just say, they rather pay like a small go to the same equivalent or more. If you
30,000 Jamaican is like
joke what? 140 pounds. No, like 160 pounds.
Yeah.
Over here is more expensive to do. But when I say this, some man rather just hold them on and done. If you have money, like Addi them is
no, we was talking Jamaican currency, Steel City, so we are talking about 160 pounds.
All right, you see some money.
About 150 pounds.
Right, you see some money, like say, it's like an artist, and people have things to lose if the youth are for them, and them know say, yo, if the woman go CSA in the Jamaica, where they don't call it Jamaica, they're going to take them there to make sure they're for them, right? When a man when nothing to lose, Jackie can't even care. He's not going to pay it. But like Cartel pitting them, and Cartel now have no grandson where I don't think. When he first post it, he might show shade off from an artist and thing. We this and now before some man. And then a week after or two, he hear Radam! If we post Jack done. Because they must send a for them youth, and for even speculating about it in the first place, that means the girl that fuck somebody else. And the girl know who breed. Them always a woman know who breed them.
Well, at East Side, remember I see me Mary did say.
Yo, somebody telling people, some people cause controversy on purpose, they say, The word, listen, you surprised how much things out the road where people orchestrated that they run for years.
But I don't think this is controversy because this is a serious thing at this age.
It can be solved, Dragon.
It's at this age.
Go straight to court.
Well, I know, at this age, I may talk to both party. If the father have a kid out there where him knowing that is his kid and him not man up to deal with him kid, fuck with that. If this young girl
I try to
throw a jacket on a man because
in the hot sun.
I can't tell you with and baiting or whatever. Fucked up like.
Yeah.
No, it fucked up both ways.
It really fucked up in a sense why when I look upon Jamaican culture, I say, yo, as a young girl like that, if you say like remember I know it's not a normal somebody there within a cartel picnic. So that means fuck on him right through then.
But they're not 15
No, she wasn't 15 though.
She was 15.
No,
who was 15?
She's older than him.
She was older, but like
No, she's
that
older.
A year
No,
older.
she's like 2 years older than him.
No, I don't think she's that old though.
Yeah, she's at least 2 years older than him.
I don't think
Because they was even saying
something like that.
No, they were saying he was a minor compared to when she forgot jail when it just dropped. But true say is a man breed an older girl. You know, say if you got a court, it might get choked. And the jury gonna say, yo, they take you. You know, in a woman it's different than when it's a man.
Yeah,
but the point is,
it's messed up.
if, as I say, if you solve all of this and the back and forth, you just go to court. If someone in my court, you have to forward.
Right.
I'm get subpoena, whatever you want to call it, for forward. Because if she adamant to say, yo, she want help and if she am the youth, and
Child maintenance you're talking about.
Yeah. The government now want minor youth.
Jamaican government no mind about it.
No. I'm just showing you, and I'm just saying it.
Yeah, go ahead.
And you know, woman rule come to youth. He might forget a court, and the court say, okay, we're gonna do a swap today with you and the youth. Take your DNA, take female. So 1 week later, have a same
just make sure it's
whatever. When you come back and I hear and a female, she hide herself and send to Elizabeth. When a female now,
he has to man up.
Shorty and him and the whole family get beaten because the man say, oh no, so the youth, and no one race. So it's weird, but the reality shouldn't go pan Shelly show, she go straight to the court.
So you feel like say, if she knows that it's his youth, like, what you call it? She have concrete evidence it's his youth, and she not go buy that route to get some of the Gaza money. I just put it out there.
But you use the word Gaza, so you know it's fun out to a lot of different reasons.
The Gaza money, remember?
Jaga, read between the line, man.
Remember,
Jaga,
these kids are the driver at the Empire.
Yes, Jaga, and I agreed with you.
All right.
I agreed, and then I said, read between the line of what I just said. So we leave
I can't read no, my friend.
Children.
No, but I really know though. All or not yet.
Pull a pack of cup there for me, please.
I think people in general, a woman shouldn't sleep with 2 women without condom. And when she get pregnant, she actually get the main man, the youth. Stop it, man, cause and if a man kill her, you say, if we kill him, she have left. No, cause people emotion get bruised.
All right, then.
Pass on a cup, the man, you take a cup, my friend.
You take a cup, All Stars going to... No, we need a clear
cup. Because this is a big moment.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're in the season of...
What them say?
Easter season.
Easter season and...
I should have asked you this from last week. What are you giving up for Lent?
What I give up for Lent?
Take up for...
Wait, no, man.
May I give up poverty?
I give up poverty.
Poverty, right.
You know, from what year, I don't know from, I just predict a beer thing, say, you know? Predict.
Predict.
Hold on, let me talk now.
Yeah, keep on saying the word. Keep on abbreviate the last part of the word.
Let me talk now. All right, so them say, you know, like how Jesus and him, what you call it? Disciple on the table. Somebody in here Judas, you know, make us share the wine and the bread.
That's just a wine I saved 2 times.
What true?
What the fuck?
Make us share the little red wine, man.
Share the grape. Share the grape.
For the Christians.
Last supper, so somebody in Judas, so you know, we share the wine.
Usually they
Uncle Ivan, you want a cup too?
You want a cup of wine? We're not using any... cup of...
no, you Ras, you're good enough.
I want thing me telling you know.
Ras, you're good. Ras.
And Moses are me there, you know. Them now go box me and me turn here that cheeky, my friend.
Anyways.
If you hire tooth for your tooth, Moses, hey.
Right, so there's this topic that I saw not too long ago about Ziggy Marley claiming that a luxury villa has discriminated against him because he's Jamaican.
Luxury villa, is that person?
No, a villa. You know, a villa where you rent out.
You say discriminate what?
Yeah, and this villa is...
I could drink a wine first now.
Oh, yes, cheers.
Or the owner of them.
Because I swear to God.
Salud.
You see, this will run Judas' belly.
So,
if you not run your belly, if tomorrow you're good, you know.
Well, more do some running, so don't run that.
Let me see what happens.
So the article says 8-time Grammy Award winner Ziggy Marley, son of the late reggae legend Bob Marley, is complaining that Sea Salt Villa, posh property based in St. Anne, has discriminated against him merely because he is Jamaican. And obviously, the villa denies the claim.
Wait, Marley again.
Hold on there. I wain't good on the go do.
No, I'm not going to listen. Marley is like the white black people in Jamaica.
You see this thing? What me I try to say? Because I feel like say.
Reading the article.
No, me feel like say.
A promotion stunt.
Me feel like say. Not more than going at people in place. And I bun be a ganja and them say, boy, hold on, man. Let me finish that now. Hold on a little bit then. 1 second then, mama. Going there about 1 heap of ganja and them say, sir, excuse me. You know, you can't burn this thing over here because, you know, it's affecting you, I guess. Warm to you, mama.
You know,
me name Ziggy, you know.
You know my father.
Ziggy, you know.
Marley.
So, you know.
So shall we continue with...
One
go
second
ahead.
before you go. Remember I talked with the pitney thing here with the DNA, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You know the same royal family they had talked about.
Them say one of them a jacket?
No. A youth forward one. Oh, back in the day, say him one of the last pitney of Bob Marley. And the same concept. Yeah. Them two them know what when a Bob Marley youth, you have to share some of the money.
Right.
But that case ago, like, he went dead. After him go up on ER, he just went dead. So probably just say, shut up and calm down.
Oh, what are them? Remember the one where the claims say Bob Marley and father?
Yeah, remember the last one. About 30 years. But just like that way you say, if the youth significant was for them, as Cartel is like the dancer royalty family,
right?
You have things say, obviously, you always want to protect that brand and say, yo, we do it proper to the channel and go court to them something. Right. Because I know the Marley them go court to this shit.
Yep.
Because him favor all of them and him sing like them, I can't say, yo, you can't discredit it until you have the proof.
Right.
So, but like how we talk about that, do we as Jamaican, as anybody who have a loss and can't find father, do you feel blame your mother and look for your mother away and say, Bumbuckler, mommy, you know that the flashy pussy all about? But just ask.
It depends on if that's the situation.
Jagan asks it wrong.
It depends on that.
Let me not get to me and ask you, so we come in the colors.
No. But we have to remember, so we have quite a number of people on the live and want to make sure.
Jagan is basically saying, guys, if your mom was for the streets, I don't know which man was the father, and the person grew up with a father, is she to be blamed?
And I'm saying, it depends on the situation.
What situation?
It depends on if she genuinely wasn't being that kind of woman. She never did that, have sexual relationships with quite a number of people, and the man just get up and gone. Like, that's not her fault.
You know what, true, cause
that's not her fault. I'm not finished still. And not her fault. Like, if the man get, because we've seen a whole heap of situations where man forward from one part of Jamaica, him dip on a work site, him and his Scotty B start link, them start joke. By the time she finds out she's pregnant, him gone. There's no connect. You can't blame your mother because of that.
That was then.
No.
And woman, ladies.
Yeah, but
don't judge me when I say this. But you have some
Please
woman.
Don't judge me.
Them have to be tester girl. It's not the girlfriend material. If we test, you know, when you just get some pum pum and thing. You have some tester girl.
Just a disclaimer.
Yeah, but those are the
Jagan talk for himself.
But those are the children that we have to speak about, because, as you're rightly saying, this day and age, technology is working. Like that. So those are. But hold on, those are the people we can only refer to, because in this day and age, there are ways of finding the person who you were grinding with, or finding your father. Like.
No, the picnic finding the father is harder than the mother finding the father, because the picnic for finding the father, the mother might not tell him nothing. So him say in dead power and ship I go Africa.
Or you could have been like.
No, but it's true. But the mother know how the person they look.
If the mother does know that yes, it was breads or it was dragon specifically, and she not tell the picnic, then yes. But
as
yes,
a man,
she has
breads.
a right to be blamed.
I am a man.
As
a man.
Yeah. May I ask you, as a big man to a big man, yeah? We have a conversation, yeah? Have some of the time, have you ever wondered if you have any lost child out there?
Oh, no, man. No.
But that's an ask, because you know.
Person.
No.
But that's an ask, because you know.
No, to be fair, I kind of wish I did.
Why would you wish that?
I know say you have more the way you have.
No, but that's an ask, because some of the time, you know, You touch the road, you do something, you know, when you're younger, you go raw dog, you do like so. Cross me out and wish me never dead.
Jagan. The wheels them always on. If the wheels them not on, and I rim it I go.
When you're younger?
Yeah. I guarantee they never breed.
How do you guarantee that, though?
Because we still know most of them right now.
Because the one that you get pregnant, did you know that you get her pregnant the time you get her pregnant? No, you don't know.
When we don't know.
You never know, say you get her pregnant the time when you get her pregnant.
As man boss, me say you're breed. And she said to me, say, I lie it. Oh, you know, me say, listen to me. You said that one day, me know that feeling there.
As a gallus.
Me know that feeling
yes,
there.
Yes, as a gallus, me will tell you this. Liar tell.
Brother, me, can after we're done, me make the phone call. Brother, me tell her straight, yo, that is it. Radam.
But you look like you didn't have Wolpa sex them
She
time.
said, lie me I tell. I was with the woman.
You didn't get Wolpa front, though.
I was with my son's mom, bro. It wasn't a link-up thing. It was a proper thing. We didn't know.
But just ask him if I get
No. I'm saying to you, bro, we were together from teenager to a certain age. And we have a youth in between that time there. So it wasn't just a fling or a little way. So that's how I know. So when time I go so radam.
I not lie, I not be dirty man or nothing, but some time I feel like say me have some last one out there, you know. So because
you're dirty.
No, not by choice, no. Some time.
By what, recklessness?
No. Some of the time, you know, when you when you was younger, some time I do like say you go raw dog a road, and you know, circumstance happen that's you and the cat be stop link. And, you know. But she take care of herself and when you just never like that again then. You know, here's down the road, you see her with a youth, and when you count the calculation, you say, boy, about in them time that when you and her used to grind, but because you know it's a girl. So girl always have 2-3 months. So
but Jagan, my older guy, yeah, for a few years, So when may I tell you this? Ask anyone on the live. You see when
I can't ask the man like
no.
The man them not got bed together, bridge. Why for that man?
Listen, man. When a man boss,
I don't know about that
a man know them different type of energy. Like a man will know himself, know when them say, yo, hey girl, the breathing one that, you know. And the one is say, reggae. Every man with experience enough in a life, know when time, yo, that is it. And you can't tell him nothing. But now I say him can't do the same as the next man to you know, but I say the chance is there. I have time when time you know say yes, as I say a raw dog, you know say chop. I don't care whether you know not go on. I know just a soldier them that run out and kill himself.
I'm not saying a soldier run out and kill himself like
you can't know, brother. You can't know.
Hold on. Some of the time, as a man, some of the time you have to know say yo. You know fully bust off a night. But sometimes you know you know,
fast start and run out.
No, you know the pull-out game.
Well, fuck that.
So my time some leak out, you know.
So that me say the fast.
Remember some my time a gun bust and go brr.
Brother.
So you know first 2 shots go to fire off. Brother. You know first 2 rounds.
Me not believe in them something. Once in there man, just don't do everything and done. Fuck, pull out the door. You hear that, brother? All the way. 0 or 0, no in between, not 50%.
So
you see me?
That's how you decide
Ras,
to do things. Jaja.
Better ask you. No, but you have some woman there.
What do you want to ask me, sir? Yes.
So one day was a woman nice and festive with a look of bread and rare and chill and when you say rare and the kind of the sword, now that's the do your thing, brother. Yeah? And himself will pull out. Let him pull out.
Huh? Wait.
Basically, yeah.
Ask the question again.
You're gonna say pull out game rare. Somebody say, yo.
Pull out game with who?
No, when they go raw dog. When they have competitive sex, come camera jagan whatever I must say.
Right.
So you go so boom now and you did a dating and everybody enjoy themselves.
Right.
And me I tell him say, fuck pull it out, bruv. That's long. I'm just gonna finish everything and done. As a woman, from a woman point of view, we already do it raw already.
Right.
Would you want a guy to pull out?
Yeah, I'm not breathe for nobody.
But why does the condom and don't then?
That's a good point.
Because once you go, it's like, yeah, worry about breeding
no
a
sex
woman.
before marriage for me.
Yeah, worry about breeding a woman. Worry about the shot you. That's what worry about.
Hold on, man.
That's that as well as breeding for a woman.
Hold on,
you don't want to get pregnant for the wrong person.
Like at the end of the day, like we never really talk about this, but like I don't know your sex education for person. Let me teach you a thing.
Can't teach me what go on.
Hold on,
Oh my word.
You see, we just say a while ago now. Remember, say some of the time is a girl where has sex and a regular, sometimes a woman, but she's not taking contraception. And no want a youth. So you pull out game of it strong.
All right, may I teach you a thing?
So hold on, man. So you can't do like a brup and bust off in every night, every minute. Cause what you know?
Expecting to get pregnant.
You see them thing you want to do like so now, and you go to a pharmacy and buy a little pill and them something there. Fuck up our cycle, my friend.
Dragon, may I tell you, educate.
As well as you can't depend on that every time.
May I educate you know what type of education.
And this is your personal experience, right? Okay, continue.
May I tell you, it's personal and general.
Speaking to the talk.
It's personal and general. You just say, your personal woman or woman we are dealing with fully. We have a long relationship, whichever ship it is, yeah? If I want me to fuck a woman, behavior, me intend, if she braid, and it's have to go on. Because you already in it, you win it. Me not pull out. You deaf?
Why is that?
Because me done this side for in a condom. So what the fuck me I pull out for?
Yeah.
No.
That don't make no sense.
It does make sense.
As a man.
No. As a person you are, because 2023. If you have a woman, we're not on a link, you're woman. I want to start fuck without condom. Start have sex without condom.
Yes.
One she depend no contraception. Brother, you tell me say if we have sex 8 nights a week, you gotta pull out 8 nights a week? And that's what you tell me?
If me don't want a youth, yeah.
But why do you, bruv, that's just killing the old buzz, fam. Why am I going to slow down my end game?
So you'd prefer to have a child?
Oh, you mean if me not there?
Well, okay, that's your main
That's
woman.
what he's
Okay,
saying. That's what he said. They say the main.
If this is your woman, you're sneaky link.
No, he said that.
No, your woman.
He said the woman.
That was a scenario that All-Star brought up. I'm asking, this is your sneak. You're not in a relationship, you and this girl just a link. It's not a sneaky link. You and this girl just a link. See? You're not pulling out?
Yeah, it depends.
No.
This is technically depends on how long you're a sneaky link about.
It's not,
it does
was
depend.
very specific.
No, sneaky link's like 10 years.
And that's why you don't get well. That's why you get not get well catch. That's why.
I was very specific in my question. It's not your sneaky link. It's a girl where you and her link on and off, not just a link because of the sexual intercourse. You're telling me that you're not pulling out.
Condom strip, never gonna go beer back.
What?
No, it's no
this
point.
Conversation is
it's
over.
no point.
Yeah, why?
She said on and off. So the half time, she might have link a next nigger.
But your main woman could be linking a next nigger
No,
too.
but this is so much I said to you, say, yeah?
So what's the point?
The point is this. You don't say me have a woman. You just say.
That was the scenario,
No,
bro.
he
Stop
said,
being complicated.
no. He said, yeah, if me and woman, I'm going to pull out, yeah? If woman, I said, me not going to do that.
Right.
You now said, if it's a sneaky link for me, yeah?
It's not a sneaky link.
He said a link on and off, whatever, yeah?
Right.
I will not go without a condom. It's just dumb.
So if it's your main woman, you're pulling out?
I just said no.
So how can you determine if she not give you the crutches behind your back?
Can't determine.
Anyways.
You can't.
All I'm saying is...
You cannot.
My perspective.
You cannot.
That's
No
why I'm not have no girl.
No
No
tea.
here one now. You see, when
Thank
a girl,
you, DJ Hype. He's making no sense.
when a girl that girl got crutches and answer breads.
It's a beer blank your boss.
Yeah.
Why for that? You know, man, I bus blank.
Yeah,
Group chat later.
Gangalisa, where pull out I go?
Brother, you don't feel when you reach your end game.
Destination.
Yes, if you come off of the bus, you gotta tell the driver, you gotta say, yo, no. What? No, dog.
No, why for that to blood?
They play up on the car and they drive.
No. Why for that?
Driver, woman.
Boy,
No,
boy, my feeling end game.
No, what the fuck are you talking about?
And you not come off a bus. No bother with it.
Good try though. You see the word bus? Bus? Yes, loosely used.
A bus. Bus a bus.
Exactly. In the concept of what I'm saying. Brother, there's no any people gonna talk and they want some politically correct and say, yeah, no. Once you're having sex with a woman without condom consistently, yeah, pulling out is just dumb. Because basically, you give up your whole chance. You talk about pitney, she can't shut it out. Pitney is a blessing. If Pitney can born and make a retire at 40.
So hold on there now. So that means that every 9 months you're gonna have every year you're gonna have a baby on the way.
No, because if you have a youth with a woman, then you know you're gonna breed her again. This is where everyone take precautions. That's the point I'm trying to make. If you let a girl and you're not there and they say, yo, condom time done, it makes you know straight. Breeding time start.
So
because there's no way.
You have 6 youth where you can't take care of, right? And you and a girl are struggle.
I England
just,
live.
Well, I'm a man on just a fight for make life. So why if I England live?
Why make a 6 youth?
But that's I ask you. You just say England live. So what that have to do with everything? No, explain that bit to me.
Because you just said that was 6 youth.
Yeah, you say you have 6
King
youth.
Charles and me a friend, man. He's just saying.
Ask you. Explain that concept to me. Because of England live. Explain that concept.
King Charles, my dad, was a good friend, you know. So I know him, you know.
Brett, explain that concept for me.
Soon, but me explain that for this.
You say you have 6 youth because of England live.
Let me explain that for this, yeah?
Yeah.
When you have the youth with the girl now, it comes to being a man, as I say, as a man, you're forced youth. Why you gonna now carry on having sex after the usual time to have sex, yeah? When she's probably still so fucking fertile, even worse than before. If you go breed her again.
Well, Gus, man, I want Pitney in get it, in barely have one. And him say no. Him say no pull out.
No, but that's...
So, you just have one youth.
No, that's dumb. My point is proven. That's why I have one youth. Because the girl where me did there with, my son, mother, we were doing to have a youth.
Yeah.
Everybody else is condom, bro.
So everybody else after that they're fucking at boots then?
Sometimes wrist run, but I know, but
the wrist run, then all your bosses are them and then a breed.
Because I'm tell you already, you can't know when the breed, when I just student will kill himself.
Are you just not the
bad man as I say a blank in my fire?
You hear me say?
God not good.
You know say the point is
Gus wants it.
You listen.
Pew.
Listen, you see you fingering it here?
DJ Ibe?
Yo.
See you fingering it here?
Me black the brother about my friend.
It don't really matter right now. Nothing wrong with that.
Yo,
1.5.
What? Watch out now. Breast get him youth when him young, you know, so watch out now.
Wow.
I best I'm going, you know.
Wow.
And I want him get, you know.
Oh my God.
Well, I say it because I was not loosely out there just dashing unprotected sex life.
That's why I'm telling you when you come on to them argument. Birds.
It's not, stop.
When you come on to the argument, I left it alone.
Jagan, stop. How much you have?
Left it alone.
How much you have?
Me have 2 with them give me.
See, it is.
Me have 2 with them give me.
So I have no more then.
Me just tell you, say, me feel like some more out there.
No, we don't want to hear that.
Because I don't feel like, say, I'm in the mental and financial place to have 2 more youth at this moment in time when I raise 2. Because I want my youth them grow like kings and queens.
All right, so may I use exactly just everything you say?
Yeah.
I will me I go say right now.
What you say?
No, bro.
No. He's already said it because.
What you say?
No, but your teeth is.
No, not teeth. It's a standard statement. Me personally, like my youth are big youth now anyway. But the point I make is I'm just very careful who I want to be my next baby mother. I'm not go.
Oh, so she's only going to be your baby mama? That's what you just said.
Are you trying to be like him?
You know birds not get the whole past sex. Me just feel so.
Literally.
I don't really care, but I'm just
Birds.
using the words coming
Birds
from your mouth.
Hold on, man. I lent now.
Give it up.
Cut the fuck, yeah. You have to give up something, you know. Give up lying, no man, for the rest of it. Yeah.
For the time.
Give up lying,
I'm
man.
not going to say I fought today. We got kind of...
You not tell lie on pussy?
No. Just know that.
Jesus Christ.
But it's just your words. Your words were, you're very careful with the next woman who's going to be your baby. So that's all she's going to be?
All right, let me say it for Rusty's sake.
Not for my sake, for you, for your content.
Yeah. The next one, if we have a youth.
Yeah.
Are probably youths.
So
yes.
If he's fully missing my point. But
No. I'm just saying.
Birds, that feels like you can't bring nobody again.
Stop. I'm finish your point, sir. Because
Dragon
is zoned out. Ignore Dragon.
Me, I try to prove to you. Sorry, me, I try to answer your question. Sorry.
Nothing to me.
Can you say, be a mother sound loosely like that's a random chick? No. Me, I talk somebody.
That was not my point.
They say should just be a baby mom. So you say it. Regardless of art, me be a mother or not. As somebody where me this I say, you know what? I don't want it. But just now go to go raise me. Matter of fact, yeah.
You know
when
what?
you gonna have a youth, Ras?
I will up a bad rum, I fuck up your back.
Excuse me?
And make you can't breathe
Wait,
your body
wait,
again.
wait.
I don't drink rum.
What did you ask me?
When you gonna have a child?
Don't question me. That's my
When?
private business.
So the question me.
No,
how
because
the
you have
fuck
a
is
youth
this?
and you
Oh,
want
yes,
you
God.
want that's your business and road.
Jesus
Don't question
Christ.
me.
Next year. Next year. Next year.
Moving right along.
Next year, you know, a
Hey,
dragon in charge.
Jagan. It's to me.
Dragon is in charge of what?
Hold on. Here's
Of-
joke, yeah?
Yeah.
Of
It's
what?
because,
Cause what?
Yeah.
Be quiet.
it's because
Be quiet.
I'm a
What you
very,
say? Yeah.
very
Very what?
respectable dude to
Yeah.
an extent.
Yeah.
See, so when we're done,
Now,
that
what is
show
that
ya.
with this?
Don't tip him out.
When we're done that show ya,
Yeah.
Yeah.
make a write from my phone.
Say what?
And what?
Let's just carry on.
No.
No, you can't hear it
When
loud
that
out
show-
here, cause
no,
like,
no.
What are you trying to
No,
say?
when that no, I'm not saying nothing. I'm saying I remember something. When that show ya done,
cause
I'm gonna say it to you.
remember me a little youth for you, seen? And
Dragon.
a 2 youth me
Dragon.
have what them give me.
Jagan, it doesn't
I
matter.
mean, I don't know how much them will give me out there yet. How much they on the way at the moment.
You message Jagan.
Seen?
Jagan, you message.
So for a big man like you,
Yeah, stop
almost
lying.
40,
Jagan, stop lying.
where me don't know,
Yeah, why you lying?
me don't know if you have a of swimmers.
Oh my
I go
God.
in the pan anywhere.
Jagan, you want to know too
Why
much.
are
So-
we doing this?
When you were talking about busting girl belly breasts,
Ras, what you saying?
careful.
What am I saying?
Yeah,
About what?
It's moving on swiftly.
Oh, you want to change the
No,
subject?
because
you want to change the
if I
subject?
keep on talk,
because
Timmy
you're in the
Summer
hot
no want to say.
seat.
No.
Write it on your phone and then
Literally,
Yeah.
write it on
literally
your
no want to
phone.
say it
Then you say it, dog.
No.
Me
Right,
not a
it's on your
secret.
because it might go round the corner.
No,
and
no,
left.
write it on.
Me not-
We'll
me
speak.
not- me
No,
not a
no. Let's speak
me not
about
a
it
secret.
off air.
No.
pussy
All
clad.
right, we talk with half here. Next
Yes.
we'll bring it back at the show.
No.
We are talking about.
No.
Talk about anything, bro.
Ras, what's on the agenda, please?
What's the let's you had another topic you wanted to speak about.
Which one you talking
Was
about?
it low?
Oh, my bum buckler.
Oh my word, my
sorry, people.
Lord.
Oh,
Jesus.
you know, I like a communal wine, do I?
Guys,
Remember I go.
Guys, please forgive
Guys,
us.
sorry,
Dragon.
sorry about that.
Dragon
please
said 5 swear words.
I lent.
you-
I'm
every-
gone 4.5.
No.
You owe us 20 pounds.
I was gonna say that.
You
Huh?
owe us 20 pounds.
No, a 5, a 25 then.
What?
Five.
20.
Well, I never asked me to give up swearing for Lent.
No, we can't ask you. That is it's a personal decision what you give up for Lentina, sir. We cannot determine
Yes.
what you give up for
But
Lent.
what you can give up is the money toward the Christmas fund.
So 25
Towards who?
pounds,
The
you owe
Christmas
us
fund.
25 pounds,
The
okay?
Christmas party. end of
Man,
the
you
year.
look for mine, yeah.
No, I said the Christmas party, bruv.
Yeah.
You owe us 25 pounds for the
But
5
anyway,
words.
people, yeah. I don't know if anybody hear about or see the video. That Chronix was in halfway tree. You know, him and the bobo them chanting.
That is embarrassing. Listen, I feel embarrassed.
Hold on.
I'm
Make
not even
him
a Rasta.
Make him talk his story.
And you know, Chronix up and stage say, I see you know why Chronix company rhythm and thing and thing.
Yes.
And man come for bun Babylon and you know chant down Bobo Hill and blaze fire cause I say judgment as me a judgment. Be a man say you can't say judgment, go suck your mother.
Bro, that's never bad yet.
Then him dead there carry on with speech,
He
you know.
couldn't finish his statement.
The
'cause
man,
he was
the man
so
a carry on with speech. And your man say, yeah, batty man.
Brother.
Remember I want Bobo in a crowd shout out and I
Brother,
said, Jesus
no,
Christ.
We don't even know who it was.
Do you know embarrassing? This is how embarrassing. Sorry, this is how embarrassing.
It was. He couldn't finish his
How
statement.
embarrassed I felt
Yeah.
as a Jamaican, yeah? For the fact,
Couldn't finish his statement.
you have
bro.
about 4 or 5 person play bands with him make 6, yeah? As
It was
Rasta.
just- It was just,
Yeah,
yeah,
no,
just
as
a
Rasta,
few
yeah?
people, yeah.
And the man attack. And while he's talking, we see him reaction, him not really believe in the fire way one bun. And then the Rasta in the the person at the far ground, that any other Jamaican, you see one dog walk across the screen.
Yeah.
Man just blur it out and him, you didn't hear shock, and him a try to talk more
He was like,
softer.
yeah.
And the man says something again, and I'm like, yo,
He
to
was
be-
just repeating what he
to be fair,
said
yeah,
before.
he looked so uncomfortable
He was
on the
uncomfortable.
stage before the man to swear. You know why? It's like he must have do it because he thinks he had to. And this is the problem when they fought to the rest of them again. The man nowadays, them not gonna burn a fire. Them might just do what they need to do. But that day right there and then, me that say that embarrassed the whole movement for years, on top of years, for them to know because the reason them burn out the fire upon him is the fact that what I'm people him forward and I try this valiant for not dissing them.
Right.
It didn't do nothing. If we were a Rasta at and do some unscrupulous things, we that's why we saw them are it didn't. But then the people them surrounding
Right.
is one is allegedly, one came out and said she's whatever.
Right.
And they didn't say even damage control. Say, oh, we're gonna say that in public, but you see me? Nothing came out. So when they go forward and try to chant about Jamaican crime and this and that. The man say, brother, you lose already because you're not done for yourself.
In addition to that, we saw, I don't know how many people got a chance to watch Fantan Moja's live, because it also spoke about the instance that took place with Chronix, and him try to touch upon a bigger point, but I'm saying, as well as quite a few other people are saying, is Fantan Moja in a position to bonfire and ridicule people?
Of course, they can.
No.
It's part of the fate, so you can't say what I said.
After what he did?
No.
Oh, the video them?
I'm just asking.
What? No, like Fantan Moja video, like, remember, me personally, I didn't find it offensive towards the Rasta culture, because he was just in a video with some girl, some naked.
And Rasta love talk about woman.
What was he doing?
There was nothing.
Some girl in there shit them body.
He wasn't even on them like that.
So, no, and some girl upon him, he was kind of sexual, but it was nothing freaky.
Wasn't there a video of him eating the buff?
I don't know about that one day.
What was the whoa?
Okay, because I think that is where
are the girls group
no.
I
don't know about that one day. So.
When I first played that one day,
in terms of
exclusive.
in terms of eating the buff, like, we already know, so like the Rastafarian movement in Jamaica, in terms of like the artists,
right,
it's been going down this slippery slope these last couple of years, because all of the people who is associated with that clique or that, that enclave of the dancehall Rastafari, them do some folly things, because remember when Chronix just come on the scene,
right,
he come out and he was chanting righteousness and cleanness.
Yeah.
Right? Just like acting, just like cargo.
Everybody, all of them.
And then everybody, like when a good Christian go to church and one of them backslide.
Right.
The one of them backslide, cause see there, cargo go trim him ear, and I go and be things acting, say girl do things, he might do some things. See there, Chronix them, may say him up there have three some and be things. Some here and them
that's what you're hearing on the streets.
That's what me hear, allegedly.
Okay.
Me say up there have three some.
Okay.
And them are IKEA them par, so you don't know.
Okay.
Freaky camp. So you don't know. Fantan Moja in one video with some girl. I wind up themselves.
Right.
And, nowadays every Rasta man clean shave now. Face well groomed up and pretty, So is it like the whole culture of the traditional Rasta, is that dying in the dance or reggae music space?
It's not dying, you know what it is. When the Rasta used to burn a fire.
Burn a fire, yes. Continue.
Lot more Jamaican would have burn a fire with them. So the fuel become like if I had 90 people,
right,
it reached 20.
Right.
And the 20 were the fuel.
All of them
then gas low, so they not burn bright. Right. And then you have artists and people that say, yeah, you're right, Rasta, right? Now it's like, stop Martin. Everybody, we say something, but politically, not personally. And then it's like, the way they said it here, it can't say me at this here. So when the Rasta come and say you're right, all the fireman can come and do that, keep it on,
Yeah. What about Sizzla?
Sizzla sing song about woman. Where song him sing, man? Who was in pump up or pump pump? Exactly. Yeah. And no one.
So what about that song?
No, nothing wrong with it. What I'm saying, yeah, when Fantan Moja they sing theme song with the girl in the video, yeah, all things never a woman every day I do Fantan do, but it's like them understand. If he's not doing it for this, grace is where my talk about. There's a problem because you say man to a woman, though, woman to a man, innit? So it's just logical, innit? But it's like time change, and every man want wear no big pants where can fit the whole of Jamaica that them. Some Rasta go shape them to it because they want to look hygienic more. Nothing wrong with being hygienic, because some Rasta back in the day, the ear, them say the ear can't wash, be it for grow and
I never know about Rasta say them ear can't wash. I don't know what Rasta that talk about.
No, listen. It's most old school Rasta.
I know old school Rasta say them guy falls go wash them ear them thing there.
Yeah,
I never hear about a Rasta say ear can't wash.
No, when I say wash him,
how is dirty Rasta you do know about?
Alright. If a Rasta jump in the water and say wash him ear, that's wet it up. Matter like Rasta, you say Rasta have shampoo or conditioner wash him ear?
Yeah.
Which one?
Right, true.
Which one you say?
Every Rasta with me know.
Which one you say?
Brothers, if I got some of that Rasta, now what do you?
Oh my God.
I turn back.
No, it was not.
But they're on a journey, I turn back.
Bus crash with that one day.
No, I turn back. So careful.
Boy, man, say, yeah, even with the shaving and that, yeah,
Right.
you understand, yeah, people is in a different era. They modernize themselves. That doesn't mean they don't have any faith. They don't express their time in what they're doing.
Yeah, you move with the times.
So if a Rasta person shave side of head, Jagan, and leave the top on, it's not that he's doing something wrong. It's just that that's the look you're bringing. And if just like the Christian them, when them want more following in church, them going at the world where them are cuss and mimic a local situation where them can draw followers.
But a lot of things that's in church.
Oh?
No. A lot of things that's in church are what we see in dancehall now. We get it from out of the church. So it's not about mimic. It's a very close border and a very close line. So nothing what we see happening in a dancehall and in a church that go on, because if you look on church or the setting up at our church operate in a ceremony, on Sunday at the church we go, right? You have the master of the ceremony, which is the pastor.
And that's the DJ.
And in a dance, that is the MC scene.
Yeah, we know that.
You have the bandsman and the pianist them, which is the selector who find the song
and the sound system.
And you have the congregation running back, we sit down on top bench.
Patrons.
Well, I know.
Patrons.
That's
the VIP.
Yeah, that are some loyal patrons and the selector and promoter friend them. And the people must sit down there, so.
In a general section.
Them are the regular church goers, and the backbenchers them and the people must come and dance 1 and 2 times. So if you think how it's set up, it's a similar environment that are still in my set up. Only thing liquor not selling in a church.
No, it does. When they do the tithe and offering.
But them at time I know you know if people go to church, you might go and get little the wine, you know.
No, alright, what is it? We're not I'm tell you all life messed up. Situation flip. If a woman a wine to a gospel song in a church, it's alright. Not like broke up, but you know what I mean though, yeah? And if a pastor have a gun on him side, as of my words in a governor say, I'm a pastor illegal, it's alright. But if a regular man do the same thing in a dance hall, either want to show off or try to pull or want to kill somebody. So it depends on where you are, because I said, see my title offering. Go on the plate, you throw you can throw, but you know most people are throw heavily. Like them envelopes.
Yeah, because they might follow the 1/10
Yeah, no,
rule.
I'm saying they're just like that dance.
Yeah,
someone
yeah,
religiously, we
rule.
broke and still got dance, go spend $1 million.
Yeah.
Hold on, the bird. Sorry to but what's the 1/10 rule? Could you explain that?
Yeah,
1/10 of your earnings.
1/10.
10%.
So 10% of your earnings.
10% of your earnings.
So church take 10%, government take 20.
So 30 I lose.
So 30 gone.
If you're self-employed, you can claim it back still, but it's a difference.
No, you can't claim back from a church. You can claim back from a government.
That's what I said.
Yeah, you can claim back the 1/10 from the
government.
And if you're self-employed,
If you do it properly.
you cannot claim back the 10% where you throw anyway, because that's tax. When you're filing your self-employed, it's a word. I can't explain that now.
Your
but
accountant not good.
you can you can put in something with like your cost and that thing, but everybody have to pay tax, and like you can pay your tax.
No, we're not saying
anyway,
we're not saying not paying it, but you can claim
anyway,
as much
when
as
I
you
go
can.
back, when I go down the tax rules, so you pay 30% of your earning out, right? 10 to each church, 20 to the government. That's why in every society, especially the Western world and the Christian world, you realize most of them have a strong church ties, because if you think about it, especially in the monarchy days, you know, say is a church give like the queen or the king, they're kind of, what you call it, like authority, or that's not the right word.
They're the advisor.
No, they basically make them like what they is. They don't like authentic.
No. I'm not trying to say.
That's not the word.
No,
look for a specific word.
That's what I try to say.
Yeah.
Basically, them time there.
Like nowadays.
If the church against you,
Right.
in the kingdom way, the church have more followers than the actual king and queen then.
Right.
So the bishop or whoever person at the time, if them say a dragon, the whole congregation, I say dragon. But them have a strong influence.
Based on what I know and how the tithes and offering section of church goes, basically, it's you giving back to Christ.
No, to the pastor.
To who, Christ?
Well, on the dog.
Go ahead, Rasta.
Yeah, but outsiders or people who are just church goers would think that it's going back to the pastor. It doesn't necessarily go back to the pastor. It goes back, and this is based on observation.
Yeah.
Right? This goes back to like helping with building fund, or there are different aspects with where the money is used, where the money is placed. But then again, if you don't have a personal relationship with God, and this is what the elderly church people would say, it is a method of you giving thanks for the fact that you have a job, the fact that you're able to go out and earn. You're giving back to say, thank you, Jesus, for providing me with this job. Here is a token, or this is a part of my offering to say,
you want to hear a joke?
One second.
And this is just what I have seen. This is what I have been told by elderly people and other Christian members. This is what the 1/10 is. It's not necessarily going directly to the pastor's pocket. And that's all I have to say about that.
People, we don't want to turn this into religious art talk, but because of the sake of the Easter holiday, like we have to talk a bit about the history of this. And Jamaica, I bun and cheese part, I fun part that. But I've been recently seeing a little thing going around where basically they're telling us say we're being tricked.
Okay.
And it kind of have a logic to it, because it said the first of the year is not January, it's Easter originally. Because if you look at nature and how everything's set up, April the 1st is the start of spring, right? When everything come back to life, right? And it's the start of the financial tax year.
I was gonna say
and
that.
it is April Fool's Day. So it's basically a hidden in plain sight for say April's Fool, because it start that year and we kind of trick on. If it make any sense.
It does, bro. We're not that dumb. But
So, so
brother,
do you guys believe this, or you think this is just a myth?
it probably is true. Just like how Jamaica was, they had 21 parish and now 14. But here, I say, it is what it is. Cause in China, the New Year is different from our one.
Yeah.
All of them still
because
say,
they have different calendar.
all of them still say, they still use the Western word, obviously for children and that shit. But it is, well, if you believe your year start at April, it starts April. My New Year starts from my birthday. Officially for me. Because I said, this is the day me born, so this is the, yeah, that's where I come from. But in the general world, where we learn to use the map and whatever, it starts the 1st of January.
No. Like, I'm just urging somebody, because I feel like this is something I need to try for myself even 1 year.
What?
To like start my year, like from April to April, because enough of the time there's an advantage to it, because if I really look at it like it's starting a year, make all a resolution and stuff and start from that tax year.
But financially, we do start it like that. But
like, we don't start from that tax year because everything kind of drag on. We just know, so we file a little tax that time there, and we do what we have to do like January. And if you have a little money to get back, I like it tax year turnover.
But the joke now.
You know, like, yeah.
But the joke now, they said it was meant to be 13 months. Remember? Because them claims say them do it after the 12 disciples with Jesus, but they had apparently there was 13 disciples.
So one extra one?
One female.
Eh?
They said they had a female disciple.
Who said that?
You ask Clark Jagan. Ja. You never hear that story there?
No, my friend.
They said one of God's disciples was a female.
I don't know that story.
You never, alright, see it there. My father,
But like the whole disciple and Jesus.
I've been hearing it though.
But what are not the whole disciple and the whole Jesus story? If you're brought up in a Christian home, probably you could relate and you can say, oh yeah, it's true. But if you get older and then you start dissect things, you realize that the story is flawed.
One story I believe in the Bible.
It's a flawed story because, listen now, from the concept of Jesus Christ,
first jacket,
forward.
First jacket that
remember, I know, basically they are telling you, say, Jesus are the first jacket out there, seen?
Pretty much.
And Moses, our father Joseph, sorry, let me say Moses. He my first Yamed.
Male
Yamed. Seen? Him wear the first jacket, proudly.
But you know when it comes to religion.
And if you think about it, you know, like, the way all the story illustrate or the way I interpret, it could have been somebody of unsound mind. It could have been a madman, you know. It could have just been a regular madman who have a bit of follower. It could have been like a L.A. Lewis.
Yo, Slayer
and sorry if me offend any Christian.
7.
Or talk anything like that, but yeah.
Slayer say if you want to know how much money there is, check back of a turtle.
Huh?
If you want to know how much money there actually is, check the back of a turtle.
Back of a turtle?
Yeah, the shell. Yeah.
No, sir, I'm not going to do that something because the back of a turtle.
Shell.
Yeah.
All right, watch this. Yeah?
More I explain that to me because but anyway.
No, Slayer got them we call it astronomical thinking. You know? When a man reads this, I might tell like, bro, alien brain. But no, in the Bible, yeah, it's all about faith based and believing in something where you don't see and have faith. Because no matter what, nowadays, mostly of them story that was then, you'd never believe now. Your daughter, when you say a woman, can't fall and tell you say, she wake up one day and just breathe and she never have sex yet. Nobody now believe that. And even the man that write the Bible, I can tell you not believe that.
People, sorry, we are talking about Bible story. Then if I think, boy, if Adam and Eve alone, and the brother them, what them name?
Cain and Abel.
Well, I know. And them left and go find wife over there, so. So, all the blood clot are two people alone God make, and them go over there to go find Adam.
This is the thing as well, yeah?
That's why I'm saying, like...
Because it's flawed, because they must say...
It's flawed, but you know, we are talking about Bible story because of Easter.
Adam and Eve...
Before we have the guest them in here.
The only way they could have flipped that story there, I say Adam and Eve was in the garden when they kick up because before them, we them find outer road, was in the garden and get the same temptation. Words away is okay. They wasn't the first, but like I say, 6 more people. You see me? But that's okay, makes sense. But you kick them out, Cain kill Abel, so 3 person left. Apparently, Cain sleep with his mother. Bro, there's some things online you read about the Bible here. It's like, they must say, incest was involved. And then even when they meet other people, there was not enough people to keep on populate. They just re-populate the world, make the world start cool.
But like, it's so flawed in a sense what them say. That's why in the Bible them say, fear God. Right? And in terms of, you say fear God like, and they was talking about the wicked and the evil in the world. But remember, say God go through and kill the whole of the baby them, the firstborn. Remember him go through and wipe them out for no reason, because them say babies are innocent, right?
Explain it further, why it was done.
Because him say for free the Israelites. So him say if you don't free my people, blah, blah, blah. So because you want free to stop people, you kill off all of the baby them. So it'll come like say, 2 wrong and make a right.
Kids are innocent.
The kids are innocent. The babies are innocent. Remember, him never go kill Pharaoh or, broke Pharaoh neck or broke Pharaoh and thing,
But you know that
you kill the whole of the firstborn them, like.
Man manipulate the Bible and the writing for suit agenda down the line. The person who actually write the Bible will certainly store them. Them write it for a 20-year gap and then we keep on generation of updates because, as I say, the biggest lie, me I call it a lie. My grandfather was a pastor and my uncle and my auntie are the one church of Jamaica. Really. Yeah. But me I say, even to them, the biggest lie, if you can make somebody believe, say, she get pregnant without having sex and a pitney, I believe that shit, that's why I have 1.5 billion fucking Christians, bro. Watch this now again, yeah?
That's why Jamaica have so much jacket.
Watch now, yeah? You see, all right. There's someone that creates something, yeah? I say, me believe in God. But some of the things they say in the Bible, I don't really believe in it. And if they say God make man in own image and liking, that means that my mental is what he's thinking, right? All right, cool. You say we are all dead, and there is actually a God everybody can prove and believe. The question I ask him, that. If you have one question to ask God, that I ask him for true, Because I see him for real and say, yo, okay, you're real. I say I'm real, as I say. I have proof that you're real. I say, brother, what you say, have a you, though? Say, if God have one, you want to make you have one, you too. So,
sorry, it's just a disclaimer. So, people, as we said earlier on, say, the Lord, the Creator, He make us, all of us in His own image.
Right.
So, if we're making humor of the Bible and Jesus' story and having a bit of laugh and fun off it, that means Him can understand because
he's a humor, and there are people who say he's a humorous.
He's a humorous God, and if we're making our creator, whoever one believe in Jehovah or Buddha or whatever, cause
and if you
remember, you have different people pray to different thing, and them say, I want God. Say if I want God now, how the man will pray to you look something over there, like idol? How Father God no broke him neck And me, one of the time a man come and the man flood the world, you know. And you hear what them say next time I come with brimstone and fire. So,
all right.
And when there's something, if that's something, a nuclear
Even that
bomb
story
and
as well, yeah? Even that story as well.
Mm.
The bird, we're going to find the tree branch or whatever, yeah?
That's sticking up, yeah.
It is not a bird that can
Up a Mount
travel.
Arawak.
It's not a bird that can travel far and wide and get to the destination and for travel back to get back
What
to the
type
boat.
of bird was it?
I think it was like a dove.
Dove.
Yeah, sure, I know.
But then again,
If I'm an
I mean,
eagle, we're not eagle bad. We work with eagle. This is what they do. They put stuff here where in nowadays we really check it. It won't happen, but it's called fate. And once you have fate,
like a mustard seed. That's what the Bible says.
So,
That's
well,
what
I
the
know.
Bible
Let me
says, if
ask
you
a
have
question.
Faith like a mustard
Then the
seed.
party are 40 days and 40 nights. How much chicken company?
the man said
It
2
was
by
2
2.
by 2.
So when eat?
Obviously, preparations were made.
No. As what they were saying.
Where him eat?
Who is him? The chicken?
No.
Who?
Him and him family.
Who?
Where man name will be
Noah.
It's vegan.
When Noah and him
They
family
made
eat.
preparations to be on the boat for
But
40
me say,
days. and-
when him eat?
No, I'm telling
Obviously,
you. No. So
When
basically,
eat? Noah did have one fridge pan every story.
No. So basically, what the
Stop
problem?
it, bro.
This is the
Stop
problem
it.
is as I must say, yeah.
Stop.
All right. So the fruit
Stop.
and that will go off. And put 2 of each animal, yeah,
Yeah.
for repopulate the earth.
Pass the birds.
So,
But they're saying in the Jehovah and the belief of God,
yeah.
everybody was satisfied because God made them feel satisfied with whatever they had to eat, yeah?
Right.
And nobody not dead because
Wow.
him tell him say 2 by 2, blah, blah, blah.
Right.
Just like David the Lion's Den.
Right.
The lion never hungry. Do that now.
No, because just the one man a while ago. So him belly full.
Brother, if
But hold
that
on, no. 40 days and 40 nights pan the oxen. So you bring in 2 lion, 2 tiger,
Two
2
of every,
cheetah.
2 of every kind.
Remember all of them and meat them name, you know. Animal them name.
They
See?
would have made preparations.
Hold on, no. So much.
I'm
Hold on, no. You can't bring in 2 every because you have to bring some spirit animal for them name.
Yes, that's my
But
say.
so who
So
says
hold on.
that wasn't done?
But the Bible say him bring in 2
No,
everything.
they might be dead because remember say animal. But what I say, yeah, if
So,
we're not
yeah.
deep it, yeah.
2 40 leg,
No, listen.
2 crab,
2
Insect and stuff.
shrimp,
2
Listen,
shrimp.
Listen,
2
yeah.
catfish, 2 of every
What I
kind.
know, no, catfish. Them in the sea.
Work with it, no? So, then come back.
Them already know the water on the sea already.
Just
But-
work with it.
Alright, but
Continue,
what I
because
say,
we're
yeah,
going to wrap up shortly.
if you really pretty, yeah. The art there,
So
really.
no family didn't eat meat.
What I know, the art there really big in the dog. That's the biggest boat ever make, and nobody can
But so
find
yeah.
it.
No family didn't eat meat, so where you lion them and the meat eating animal, or where them eat?
Can.
Me ask you.
I like it. I like the
Because
story.
you
Yeah.
can't give one lion grass.
Jagan. Like the story, yeah. You have a chicken, a fox, and a can, yeah, over one side of the river, yeah.
Yeah.
Who you bring with them safely over?
Chicken the what?
You have a chicken, bag of corn, and a fox, yeah. You transport each of them across the water one by one, or you bring them over.
Where I bring them over?
Yeah, safe. You ever get everything back over the next side of the banking.
Safely.
Yeah,
Where I bring them over?
yeah.
Now I'm boat, my friend.
Yeah, but you bring one boat at a time and leave 2.
One in I boat at a time, I
Yeah.
leave 2.
Yeah,
When I bring them over,
yeah. From point A to point B.
bring the fox, make the chicken go and eat some corn.
No, it's not allowed to do that. You have to bring everything in its content. You have to bring everything back over solid.
Salad.
Yeah. Nothing can eat or kill. You have to bring everything. You have to chunk everything out. What you
Tie up the fox.
Mm-mm.
Bring
Can't
the
tell
chicken.
Alright, bring the chicken go over, yeah?
I mean, I tie the fox.
Yeah, and when you go back over the next side, where you bring over?
Huh?
Where you bring over? You ever got 3 trip, you know?
Yeah.
So you bring over your chicken,
Yeah.
and you go back over.
Yeah.
Where you bring over next?
I bring over the fox and tie him again.
No, you cannot time it. There's no time about it. You just train them on the riverside. So you go over there, so you bring over your fox.
But man, me chicken have to go and just eat some corn, you know, simple
No,
as that.
but you do.
So, what you do?
You bring the chicken over, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? When you go back,
Mm-hmm.
you bring the corn over. So when you go back over there,
Mm.
you bring the chicken over there and take the fox and forward over. Then you go off the chicken and come back over because fox not eat the corn. So everybody forward over transport 3. Me not tell you how you bring, me I tell you how you bring them over. Me never ask you.
That's just long, bruv.
But that's the story. But the point is that is that with them ark, yeah. Eventually, they just said they got reckless and God calmed them. Bro, the people in served some shit, bro. It's crazy, bro. But at Easter,
the man said them put to sleep until Jesus.
yeah, that's true. They said, bro, you see,
You see them something there, like
when they were hungry,
Yeah.
when them forget, and then they were getting rattled, and then I think Noah prayed and God answered him, and then the point, forget the art, so the point is the bird, bro. Bro, it's like you saying you send a bird got Jamaica, we cannot go to Jamaica in a real life.
yeah,
If you say one duck with migrate duck there,
yeah.
me don't understand.
So duck will migrate. That's
Yeah.
what I said.
Birds can travel further and far.
Yeah.
You understand? But these birds can travel and pick them good. Because they catch them.
Yo, you know what? Like they always say the Bible is flawed, and because just because of Easter, I want to talk about it a bit. But people, don't take this seriously or offensive. But they say Father God's a humorous God, so most can't run to a joke about Father God and him sit down about it and laugh. You know,
understand.
It's not about jokes.
strike to thunder and say, yo,
Make sure, sir. Oh, you said thunder.
May
I think I like India.
I be serious here. When they say something where you try to question, and if you the person believe in what was said, and you can't explain to me, there's no point you trying to be angry. Angry at yourself, I don't know what you're talking about. Because if me challenge you with your faith,
Right.
and you can't justify what you fully believe in,
Right.
even if I like to tell me, you can't, then you shouldn't be upset. Upset with yourself because end of the day, you don't know nothing you're following. Me that say, yo, you know what?
so faith is
God,
anything you believe in, right?
Yeah.
Faith is what makes a religion work. Because we are believing in stuff we will never see until we're dead. Can I tell you, say, yeah? Everybody want to
Never
heaven.
see until you're dead.
Wait, what?
No.
What did that brother,
What
man?
did you just
All right,
say?
God, yeah?
Yes.
You only can see God when you're dead. As we say,
Hold on. I think you're
let me finish, bro. So
go
basically,
ahead.
we can't say, yeah, everybody want to go heaven, but nobody no want dead for God the door. And
Who
if-
say half dead for God?
Jesus Christ, let me finish now, bro. So the faith I say, when you're dead, your spirit transcends to somewhere else, and it put on God, yeah, if you got heaven, you got hell. But the thing is, if you believe so much in your faith, yeah, I know what they put on the next side, yeah. When I question it, yeah, if you just say, yo, that is that, and God are God, you shouldn't get angry. If you just okay, you believe you, me believe me, and that's it.
But anybody who gets angry is, what them say? What's the word? Ignorant?
But
It's an ignorant
my belief
person.
is sorry
And
to
we're going to wrap this
interject.
up now.
Yeah.
Yeah?
My belief is like here is my heaven or my hell.
What, earth?
Yeah.
That's your belief.
It depends how I want to live it, because if you really read the Bible and understand,
Right.
right? Them say everybody when they're dead, there is nothing, there's no light, there's no darkness.
No, I believe that person, okay,
Right?
you know.
It says so, no, it says so in the Bible.
Yeah.
There's no light, there's no darkness until judgment day, right? So out here can be the heaven or hell.
But that's what I said.
And the next thing too, people feel if you understand them, how I say, Satan when you got see it in the pits of hell. If Satan not like God, why Satan not work with God?
Who says he's working with
Well,
you?
I know.
Just asking.
But that's what me that explain.
Okay.
Seeing? So, heaven supposed to sweet, you up there drink milk and honey and 40 virgin, seeing? And I saw them say, well, I know. But when you go hell,
Oh my gosh. Hey,
when
yo.
you go hell,
Yeah, but
them say
That's
Satan a burn you up. So why would Satan not, when not like God, seeing? Or punish you for God?
Help him punish you.
Then that means that when me go down and Satan and Hennessy and white from down there,
Alright,
and stone love sound string up,
right,
and big
right,
bra
right,
fin.
So that's so that got hell.
Me don't know me just
Ladies and gentlemen, this conversation can go
Lord
on for
like
such
stone love.
a really, really long time. But when you don't know the strips, this is Tuesday and it's the Upper Life Show.